what's up? It's me, TheOneWhoWhispers, and welcome to a new video. I took my time, my sweet time, and now I'm back in hopes to get a good video, high quality video for you today. Thing is, I'm trying something. I have two cameras set up. This one and this one. I don't know if I'm pointing on it because the screen is over there. I really hope this works. I wish for it to work because I think seeing the keyboard in a typing video is kind of important, kind of nice to have, you know. So I'm currently downloading a new video editing software, which is free because I don't have money. But let's hope that all works out. Anyway, what we're gonna do, as you can probably also see in the title, is we are gonna do a typing test. So some of these tests where you get 1 minute and you have to type as many words as possible. Let me just switch the language to English because it's still German. Okay, and yeah, pretty much that's the whole video idea. That's what we're gonna do. A bit of typing, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you'll find relaxation in the video and all that. And yeah, of course I'll still talk in between and all that, and if I make mistakes you'll see it. But this video was mainly focused on the little camera on this side here, I think, and I hope it all works out. We'll see. Anyway, that was a longer intro than usual, and I think my intros are usually quite long already, so I hope you enjoy and that you'll have fun. Okay, so I have the site open. It's 10fastfingers.com in case you want to do it yourself. Might be a German site, but I don't think so. It has a lot of different languages, and in the last 24 hours the top score is 165, if I see that correctly. Oh, I know that's the most active. 331 words per minute is the high score, and then it goes down to around 160, and there's a lot of people on 160, I think. So let's just try to beat 160, and maybe I can do it, maybe I can't. We'll see. Yeah, let's just get into it, right? Okay, let me just add it on and take an heavy America. Okay, just wanted to read a few words, and let's go for a first try. Okay, okay. So it starts after I write the first word. Okay. Okay. Now we can start. So, I got the result. After a minute you get the result. So, what we got is 583 correct presses and 11 wrong ones out of a total of 594, which is an accuracy of 95.73%. And I had 113 correct words and 2 wrong words, and I got a WhatsApp message. Okay. Sorry about that, but yeah, 113 correct word, 2 wrong words. It's okay, but 107 words per minute is definitely not the target I'm going for. So I tried again. 37 types, 6 wrong ones, 97 accuracy, and we got 127 words per minute, which is better than before. Much happier about this result, but still not the result I want to go for. We'll try a German one afterwards, but I really want to get an English one right. 160 is something we're not gonna reach, definitely not gonna reach, so not in the top 20 unfortunately. But we'll see how I can go. There were some mistakes in there. I could have been faster, I think. So 127 is the current personal best, like speedrunning. So let's try 130 this time. Okay. Okay, give me another try. Okay. Again. Oh, I'm annoyed about all the mistakes. 25 wrong presses, 4 wrong words, that's way too many. I'm getting kind of competitive here, like, there's no reason to be this competitive. I'm in the top 1%. Oh no, it's top 2%. But still. Okay, so let's try a German one. German, is it as Deutsch? No, it's German. Okay. I mean, that's my mother tongue, so theoretically I should be better. I don't know if I am, but we'll find out. I already made a mistake in the first word. Oh, okay. As soon as you type it starts, okay. And the first mistake, no, we're not gonna let a mistake happen in the first few words. Once again. Oh my god, this is not good. I'm not looking good right here. presses. I don't know. I guess I'm kind of used to English right now. That's my excuse. We're gonna be able to do it though. We can do it. Okay, 130 is where I'll stop in German, where I'm happy in the German language, because 51 wrong presses could be 51 right presses, especially all the backslashes take a lot of time away from typing. So what you should do in fast typing is just ignore mistakes. If you make mistakes, then just type further regardlessly, and I don't do that most of the time. I did it a lot, quite here, so I had 8 wrong words, and one of them was just random presses altogether, so kind of unfortunate, but let's just try again at least 2 or 3, or 1 or 3, between 1 and 3 more times, and we'll see how it goes. Okay. And that was the first mistake again. Nope, not gonna happen. Again, what is this? Oh, okay. Okay, 6 wrong words, 29 wrong presses, so I have 666 presses on the keyboard, so I'm actually the devil confirmed. Okay, 127 words per minute, which is better than the English one, I think, but we can do it, we can do it. 130 is the target. 130 is the target. Let's do it again. Also, I'm sorry that I'm not recording the screen today. I usually do that, but yeah, I think both cameras is totally fine, so we'll stick with that. Okay. Okay, no, too many mistakes in the first few words. Nice, 139 words per minute. That's so much better. That's good. I'm happy with that result. Okay, we can leave it at that. 139. 9. It doesn't count. 9 or 9. Whatever. 139 words per minute. So happy about the result. Almost 140. Maybe if I practice a bit further, I can go further, but not sure about that. Anyway, that was today's video. I'm sorry that yesterday there was no video and the day before also not, because so yesterday there was no video. Today there will be no video because I'm recording 5 minutes before I usually upload. but with the new editing software, I hope I can get the video good. So I have a good video tomorrow, and maybe we can kind of upper the production standards. You know, kind of have higher quality. At least that's what I'm shooting for. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video with the fast and aggressive typing. Like, whew, that was some fast and aggressive typing. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please share the video. I guess that's the main thing. You can of course subscribe, like, comment, anything. I'm happy about any of those. Yeah. Thanks so much for watching, is what I'm saying. And I hope I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, and we need some good biting also. Let me just type something.